So I just got in this new waterless oil diffuser and I'm really loving it. First of all, it's stunning. It's handmade wood and glass design, so it's sustainably sourced wood base, anything like that. It's super quiet, you can't hear anything, plugs right into the wall. There is this little dial here which turns it on and off as well. And like I said, I really am obsessed with the design of this. It works amazing. They send you a lot of information as well. If you ever have an issue with a clog or it stops working, there's tons of support for you as well. I love this. It matches the decor in my house perfectly. I love that natural vibe. The glass itself is hand blown, which is super cool. So there's no plastic or anything like that. Nothing gross getting into your air or anything. This uses undiluted essential oil, so you don't need to add water or anything like that. You just add your pure essential oil and then the vapor comes up, so it makes it that much more concentrated and smelling amazing. Right now I have the Volcano by Capri Blue in mine, and my house literally smells like a hotel or a tropical vacation. It's absolutely amazing. So this one has a 4-hour timer on it, so it will shut off after 4 hours, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about shutting it off. You don't have to stress that you've wasted too much oil or anything.